To start, add the product and the logo you are designing on different layers. Then erase the background of the product and keep the necessary part. Once done, remove the details of the previous product if any visible and resize your logo onto the place. Once done with the logo, design any kind of things you wanted to using a brush. You can use any kind of brush that suits you. Make sure you are doing this on a different layer so that any changes can be erased and there is no issue left. Now add the text of your product. If you want to write it, then write it, else you can do this as well. Now add the details like pictures or depictions of the product. Make sure you erase the background of the product. You can also add any required information. Once done, save the image in the gallery or wherever wanted. Make sure the transparency of the background is turned off in case you just want the product image instead of a background